These are safety glasses called Softgle Fan, recently released by domestic company CNS Company. I have seen these made in Korea and used them myself, and I think anyone who works wearing a safety goggle will definitely buy this one. I've filmed videos of myself introducing safety glasses, and every time I do, many people would always leave comments like, "Doesn't this fog up? How can they not fog up? What about moisture?" Whoa, there's a lot of talk about moisture, and I completely agree. When you first buy them, they are anti-fog, so they are okay to some extent. But as time goes on, the anti-fog ingredients will evaporate and fog build up. That makes it hard to see, which can lead to safety issues. Even if you wipe them off, they quickly fog up again, which is really annoying. So workers who know this can get an activator from Daiso or other places and apply it inside the lens, or take off the glasses while working and apply it. But if you do that, it will only make things worse or scratch the lens more. It would be long before it humid again, especially on these cold days. In fact, the most effective and quick way to resolve this moisture problem is to ventilate the inside of the lens. This product has a fan that operates on top of the goggles to circulate the air inside and remove moisture. This. This product also has an anti-fog function. If you look, you can see that there is a special coating sheet inside. You can remove it easily like this. Moisture won't build up, and it will disappear right away. But this too will evaporate as time goes by. But now, since there is no anti-fog coating outside, you can see that there's a moisture building up, right? Okay, so we've swapped the positions of inner and outer lens and made it like this. Okay, so now it's getting moisture, and if you wear it while filled with moisture like this, the moisture won't come out. It is trapped inside the goggles. But when you press this button, you see the effects quickly. The moisture evaporates right away. It's amazing. If you try this, you'll see that the moisture doesn't take a minute to disappear. It takes about 10 to 15 seconds. This fan part has a polymer-type battery that can be recharged with a common Type-C connector. So it's easy to use and manage. It can use for about 4 hours on a full charge. At first it was supposed to work for about 8 hours, but it can only work for 4 hours. I thought it was too short. But since this isn't something you use by leaving it all the time, but only turn it on when there is moisture buildup. So you could use it for a day or two after charge it once. Actually, what I was a bit worried about was the weight and the noise. But after using it, I realized that the weight is made so light. The noise level is so low that you can't hear it unless you put it right to your ear in a really quiet place. This is a nice feature. The price of this Softgle fan is currently about $25. Depending on how you use them, the price can be significantly lower, which this means is that while their intended use may vary, the lowest price with something with a fan is over $75. So lenses and accessories is not separate, so if anything gets damaged, you have no choice but to throw it away. This only the lenses, so even if they get damaged, you can replace them and use again. Even if this body part is damaged, which is unlikely, we can replace it. If you hold the fan part above like this and pull it out, it will come out easily. You can buy the existing product without the fan at $7, and you can drill a hole on top and attach it. I'll give it a try. I don't think it will work like this. Cut it out like this. You can attach it and use it like this. It has huge advantage by solving the moisture problems, but it has also many special features details. First, the lens. It is slightly curved compared to other top brands, so the field of view is wider, making it much more comfortable when used. Because this type of supplementary safety glasses is widely used both indoors and outdoors, because it can be worn over glasses and put a lot of attention to every small invisible parts. For instance, many products do not block out external radiations. But this product on has a blocking function, so you can wear it outside with confidence because it protects your eyes not only from physical impact but also from UV rays. Second, it doesn't hurt. In fact, if you look at other brands, the silicone part will be directly contact with the skin face area. It hurts because it presses against the skin like a blade. People who wear them for a long period of time at work may often have wrinkles that do not go away for a long time due to the moisture and sweat pressing down on the face. However, if you look at the edge of this safety glasses, you can see a latex cushion so you can wear them for a long period of time without feeling any pain, and it won't leave marks on your face. So, people who have to wear these goggles all day on sites can use them without any pain, and much more comfortably. In fact, this cushion part has been upgraded a lot compared to before I introduced a similar type of Softgle before. The former Softgle comfort products are the most popular. Also, many consumers had mentions that the adhesive part is sticky and uncomfortable. So, to improve on that, we have put 1 mm gap on the new product Zero and the upcoming comfort products. I have added a space like this to prevent the adhesive leaking out. Yes, honestly, it is more cost-effective. The effect is also excellent, and the other aspects seems to be very good without any complaints. But if I had to point out one thing that I found disappointing about this product after using it, it would be the position of the LED light. It's great that you can check whether this is on or not, but the problem is not visible. You can't see it when you wear it like this, and you have to take it off to see it. If you leave it on when there's no moisture, it will just drain the battery, so it would be good to be able to check it. I wish they would have changed the position so that you can see it by looking upwards. Honestly, these days, overseas manufacturing standards have improved considerably. So, if you import from China or other overseas countries, no one would say anything if it stamps with Made in China or Made in Taiwan. But people working at domestic safety goggle manufacturing often email me photos of their products being sold under false informations and claiming they are being sold under false details. I was surprised to see many of these products even among well-known brands you already know. That's why the comparison with those companies is so striking. Actually, I introduced this company's safety goggles a few times. Aside from functionality and performance, the manufacturing process itself is incredibly meaningful. What I mean is, while the injection molding process is automated, everything after that inspection, assembly, and packaging is all done by hands. During the assembly and packaging process, they collaborate with facilities with the intellectually disabled, providing them with jobs and generate income. So, I originally planned to make a video exposing this domestic company that falsely claimed the country of origin, but that didn't work out. I think it would be much more progressive to promote this company that are trying to make their products truly made in Korea. So I've just released the product that I'm really excited about. I wanted to introduce it to you all. All I can do is film a video like this to spread the word a little more. Done. Oh, I hope you don't misunderstand. If you look at the company's products, you'll see my character here and there. If it helps even a little, I gave them permission to use it. I'm absolutely not receiving any money for it. But the problem is, you seem to be using it more than I am. If everything goes well for Mr. Lee, I will settle this model fee and have it transferred to your non-Kyup account. Oh, thank you for that. Anyway, I'd like you to try out the safety glasses that solve the moisture problem at once. So, I'm going to hold a giveaway event with 20 pairs of CNS Company's Softgle Fan. And since I said I would promote it, they have prepared a small promotion for our subscribers. I introduced it to you before, right? They have a basic supplementary light glass called Basic. For those who purchase Softgle Fan, they are providing 2 basic glasses, one clear and one gray. So if you usually need supplementary glasses, I think it would be helpful to try them now. For those who are a little more interested in the product, I left product link in the description at the bottom of the video. I also left the link to participate in the sharing event in the same place, so please refer to it. So please like and leave a lot of comment. Please participate in the sharing event a lot. Thank you.